I'm blaming him for being corrupt, because it is not like that model that wasn't implemented. It was implemented, but it ended up in his house.
Okay, so
Why are they in a rush to like approve or swear in or whatever for these people? Why are they in a rush? Raymond is currently serving suspension.
What do you want this protest this morning?
Now, what we are doing, the protest, what we seek to achieve with this protest is that, first of all, we want people in Odododio, we want people outside Odododio, we want people in Ghana, and especially in Nana Akufo-Addo, to listen to what we are saying, that at least the proper channels should be followed.
Why? Because we are in Badwam South. The youth in Badwam South, we are so angry. Why? Because we have a certain chairman called Lawyer Mark, but the chairman is not helping the youth. Why? Because we went to primals. Then Lawyer Jerry Ahmed won the election at the primals. So they must back Lawyer Jerry Ahmed Said to work. But they turn their back to Lawyer Jerry Ahmed Said to work. Then the youth in the constituency, we just stood up to work for Lawyer Jerry Ahmed. But now they are we have some government appointees in AMA South Metro. Lawyer Jerry Ahmed, they bring 5 slots. They have to give 2 slots to Lawyer Jerry Ahmed Said, the PC. Then the chairman will take the 3 slots. But we haven't heard anything since 2 weeks now. Yesterday evening, then since yesterday evening we hear it, then we say now there's nothing, so that we must to sit down and look upon these things. So we must to wake up and come. Then we must to protest. We must to protest the swearing in. If they have anything to tell us, they must come out and they should tell us. If Nana Akufo-Addo, the MPP, if Nana Akufo-Addo, the president in Ghana, if he want to contest the two terms, that one they fine. But if he don't want to contest the 2 terms, that he want to go just only 1 term, fine. Lawyer Chairman McDonald.
We is from which party?
MPP.
And you guys are from the NDC?
No, we are from MPP.
You are from the MPP.
But it's not working.
But you think all the candidates that have been brought are from a different party?
No, they are from MPP, but they don't work for the MPP. Yeah.
So do you have your own candidates that you want to be appointed?
No, we don't have.
No, we don't have any candidate, but we want let the peace reveal. That's all.
For you.
I don't know them. We are not party members. I know the party, and I'm a constituency officer. We have been going to constituency by constituency. The party have a directive. The regional minister have done a directive with the region, with the constituency executive. And if they are really party members, I don't think they do what they are doing. They have given a spot to come and swear them in as a government appointee. So I see them as the NDC party that they have decided to come and do this thing.
But they are claiming that they are with the NDC and they work for the party.
The thing is simple. Each constituency must present 2 names. So they have the party executive, the MPs are there. So even our MPs are inside, the party executives are inside. So if they think they belong to MPP and they are party members, what they should do is to go to the party executive. And 2, they should go to the regional executive or the national executive. And you come out of the street and come and do. I don't see them as MPP. So if somebody has sent them to come and do this thing, then I'm sorry, they should tell the person didn't succeed. We are going to go on and do the swearing in. They are not our party members. Thank you.
You can say that for us.
Yes, because I know the executive. Honorable members, they are all honorable members. And if there is something that you think is giving you a problem, the first thing is to go to the constituency executive, second to the region or the national. But if you didn't go through this process, then you come here and be making noise. Our party doesn't do this thing. So I'm sorry, whoever sent them, they should go and tell the person that they didn't succeed.
They claim they sought an injunction from the court to prevent you from swearing in.
No one can do that. There's nothing
like that.
There is nothing like that. That is why I'm telling you that they are not the party members. If they are a party member, they have a structure. A polling station executive have a coordinating electoral area coordinator. From electoral area coordinator, you have a constituency executive. From constituency executive, you have the regional executive and the national. So if you are claiming you are an MPP member and you have this kind of program, why did you keep out this process?
So when I'm sorry, you will come on.
Very well to come on.